Alright, it is February 1st, 2011. I'm here with Jacob. We are witnessing the blizzard of 2011, not seen in 75 to 100 years. We're expecting 15 to 24 inches of snow. If you look outside right now, it's hard to tell, but you can see snow, wind, everything is happening at this point. We just drove home from work. Took me about 2 hours to go 4 miles. Jacob just woke up and he's a little dissatisfied. His milk just went all over the table as he threw it up. But this is our storm update for now. Jacob is just going to go take a nap. There's the milk he left on the end table. Daddy will have to clean that up, and we'll have to see what Jacob wants to do. All right, Jacob, do you want to go in the chair? You want to go in the chair, little man? Why don't we rock you in the chair? We rock you in the chair. We'll put you right there. Here's Jacob. Ooh, 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 yes. How you doing, big man? Everybody's leaving early to beat the blizzard. What do you think about that, Jacob? Do you want to leave early to beat the blizzard? It's the blizzard of 2011, Jacob. Do you have anything to say about that? Anything at all? So, ladies and gentlemen. Or we just want to take a nap. Is that what we're going to do? We're just going to hang out? Is that what we're going to do? We're going to hang out for our whole time. Well, it's nap time, isn't it? Where's Mommy? Is she taking a shower? We're trying to give her a break, aren't we? Okay, we're going to check up later. Right now we've gotten about 4 to 6 inches of snow.